Well, hello guys, and welcome to another episode. My name is Ben. In this series, we are going to look at consuming the Daraja API using Node.js. In this class specifically, we'll be focusing on Node.js and Daraja, and in this specific series, we'll be focusing on saving our responses using MongoDB. So we'll be working on Mongo and Node.js consuming Daraja API. So just to get your head, I would recommend probably you go back to our previous series on PHP and you look from part 1 to part 4, where we were discussing what is Daraja API, and we have given a lot of details on the same, so that now we can avoid the repetition and stuff. What are the things I'm expecting in this class is you should be passionate about programming. You don't need to know how to program specifically, or we don't expect a specific level, but at least you should be knowing something little about Node.js, and you would like to consume it using to consume the Daraja API using Node.js. So in this class or in this series, we are going to start from obtaining the access token, but our next class will be introducing Node.js for beginners, and then we'll continue from there. So if you're new and you like to see the series, kindly subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, and yeah, we'll meet in our next class and we'll continue from where I've left. So if you have not installed Node.js, there's a video in this channel. I'll probably leave a link in the description. You can click the link and probably look at the video on how to install, and also install Node.js, and probably create an account on Daraja API, on Daraja portal, because that's where the all this is going to start from. So thank you. I'm expecting to see you in the next class, so let's meet.